Skin. Beautiful. Strong. Protective. Essential for life. Skin is waterproof. Water. Fluid. Thirst quenching. Essential for skin hydration. But moisture escapes through the skin and needs to be replenished. Oil. Potent. Nourishing. Essential for skin health. Oil makes up skin's waterproof barrier and keeps moisture locked in. For centuries, oil was used to care for skin. But man wanted something that felt different. And so the emulsifier was invented to force oil and water to mix, creating water-based creams and lotions. But skin is waterproof and won't let water in. Water evaporates, disappears, is ineffective and useless to skin. Unlike oil. Bio Oil, specialist oil-based skincare solutions.